Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to Shopify. This is incredibly useful if you want to display your store location or any specific place directly on your website, making it easier for customers to find you. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This takes you to Google Maps, where you can search for any location worldwide. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it and type in the location or place that you want to add to your Shopify site. This could be your business address, a partner location, or any place relevant to your customers. Hit enter and let the map load the location you've searched for. After the location appears on your screen, take a look at the left side panel. You'll notice several options there. What you're looking for is a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a pop-up window with different sharing options designed to help you distribute this location information across various platforms. In the pop-up window, you'll see a few tabs at the top. Click on the tab that says Embed a Map. This option is specifically for generating an HTML code that you can place on websites, and it's exactly what we need for Shopify. Once you click on it, you'll see a preview of the embedded map along with an HTML code snippet below it. Now click on Copy HTML to copy that code to your clipboard. This code contains all the information needed to display the map on your site. Now it's time to head over to your Shopify editor page. Open your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the page or section where you want the map to appear. On the left side of your editor, look for an option that says Add Section. Click on it and a list of available sections will appear. From this list, select Custom Liquid. The Custom Liquid section allows you to insert custom code directly into your Shopify page, which is perfect for embedding external content like Google Maps. Once you've added the Custom Liquid section, shift your attention to the right side of your screen. You'll see a field labeled Liquid Code. This is where you'll paste the embedded code you copied from Google Maps. Click inside the field, then paste the code by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. After pasting the code, hit the Enter key on your keyboard to ensure everything is properly formatted. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Maps to your Shopify site. The map will now display the location you selected, making it easy for visitors to see exactly where you're located and even get directions if they need to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.